Hello, welcome to TechDrone77 channel. Today I will introducing DJI Avata, an all-new FPV drone experience. An all-new drone means all new levels of fun. The DJI Avata brings all new creative possibilities for FPV pilots and genuinely might be DJI's most fun drone to date, providing an immersive flight experience that can be enjoyed by professional FPV pilots and hobbyists alike. If you're used to the folding design on DJI's recent drones like the DJI Mavic 3 and DJI Mini 3 Pro, you might be in for a bit of a surprise. The new DJI Avata ditches the folding arms featured on DJI's Mavic, Air and Mini series drones for a brand new Sinuoop drone design. Whilst the Sinuoop drone style has existed within the drone community for a significant period of time, the Avata is the first DJI drone to sport this design architecture, and brings with it new ways for pilots to enjoy flying and creating content. Following in the footsteps of the DJI FPV drone, the DJI Avata offers a unique FPV flight experience that simply can't be replicated by a traditional cinema-style camera drone like the DJI Mavic 3 or Air 2S. The Avata also flies unlike any other DJI drone with its unique Sinuoop engineering using downward propulsion to power the drone. Bet you haven't seen that on a DJI drone before. But that's not all. Pair the Avata with the new DJI Goggles 2 or the DJI FPV Goggles V2 and you'll get to experience unique views and perspectives that no other drone, let alone camera, can provide. Cinema-ready sensor. Just like its brothers and sisters across the DJI drone lineup, the DJI Avata features a killer camera engineered specifically for content creation. Traditionally, Sinuoop drones feature incredibly small, lightweight cameras that often compromise on image quality to keep their weight down. That's not the case with Avata, which sports a new 1/1.7-inch CMOS camera sensor. The Avata's 1/1.7-inch sensor is bigger than the sensor found in the fan-favorite DJI Mini 2's gimbal camera, 1/2.3 CMOS, and the DJI FPV drone. That means that the Avata now features the largest sensor on a DJI FPV series drone. Superior stability. RockSteady 2.0. How do you keep footage steady when you're flying at 97 km per hour? RockSteady 2.0, that's how. DJI's proprietary electronic image stabilization software keeps images smooth and steady no matter how rocky your flight may get. This means that the Avata can capture cinema-smooth footage even without the mechanical gimbal featured on traditional DJI drones. HorizonSteady. Armed with a massive new camera sensor, the Mini 3 Pro can capture more data than ever before in each and every shot. This means that DJI has been able to implement HDR, high dynamic range, recording for the first time ever on DJI Mini. With HDR recording, you'll capture more vivid colors and rich details in the shadows and highlights that are usually hidden away. DJI has been busy reimagining what's possible. With a history of constant technological breakthroughs, 2022 was definitely no exception. Since mid-2021, DJI have released impressive new drones in the Mavic series, Mini series, and FPV series. Let's take a look at each new member to see how user-friendly and supportive they are for beginners looking to purchase their first drone. The drone most suited to you will be based on what you want to use the drone for. If you're after photographic or videographic content, chances are it is more suitable to invest in a drone that is more steady and smooth. Whereas, if you aim to use your drone for adventurous purposes such as racing, the FPV Avata is better built for swift and speedy movements. Ultimately, what you spend will reflect in the quality of content you obtain and the quality of functionality and operation. Such features you should consider before purchasing are build, advanced technology, battery life and camera and sensor quality.